In primetime news this evening,
that is in the hands of the Integrity Commission. Were it up to me, I would have done it long ago.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness addresses delay in his integrity declarations, even as opposition threatens court action. And mixed opinions, rival PNP camps buoyed by their own internal polls.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business story of the day, and fresh from vacation is Andrea Chisholm, and she has our preview. Andrea?
Well, Janella, this evening we have some good news for those who want to register a business. The government has launched a new electronic platform to cater to their needs, and I'll have that and much more later in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer, who has our preview for sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, there was double gold for Jamaica in track and field at the Pan Am Games in Peru today. The charge was led by a reigning Olympic champion. We'll give you the details later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what is your view on the delay in the publication of the Prime Minister's statutory declarations?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.